Welcome back to our channel, where we provide valuable financial advice to help you navigate the challenges of today's economy. In this video, we'll be discussing inflation and sharing some useful tips and tricks to help you beat the rising costs. Let's get started. Inflation is an economic phenomenon where the general level of prices for goods and services rises, eroding the purchasing power of your money over time. It's important to be proactive and take steps to protect your finances from the impact of inflation. Here are some tips and tricks to help you stay ahead. Tip 1. Invest in assets that outpace inflation. One effective strategy is to invest in assets that have historically outpaced inflation. Consider diversifying your investment portfolio by allocating a portion to assets such as stocks, real estate, and commodities. These assets have the potential to provide returns that outpace inflation over the long term, helping you maintain and grow your purchasing power. Tip 2. Focus on growing your income. Increasing your income is another way to combat the effects of inflation. Look for opportunities to enhance your earning potentials, such as acquiring new skills, pursuing career advancement, or exploring side hustles and additional income streams. By growing your income, you can offset the rising costs and maintain your financial stability. Tip 3. Budget wisely and prioritize expenses. In an inflationary environment, it becomes even more crucial to budget wisely and prioritize your expenses. Evaluate your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your quality of life. Focus on essential expenses and allocate your resources to what truly matters, ensuring you can cover your basic needs even during times of increased prices. Tip 4. Consider fixed-rate investments. Fixed-rate investments, such as bonds or certificates of deposit, CDs, can provide a stable income stream while offering some protection against inflation. These investments typically provide fixed interest payments, which can help maintain the value of your savings even as prices rise. Consult with a financial advisor to explore the options that best suit your investment goals and risk tolerance. Tip 5. Stay informed and adjust strategically. Stay informed about economic trends, monetary policy decisions, and market conditions. Keeping a close eye on inflation indicators can help you anticipate potential impacts on prices and adjust your financial strategies accordingly. This may involve rebalancing your investment portfolio, adjusting your savings and spending patterns, or seeking alternative income opportunities. Inflation can pose challenges to your financial well-being, but by implementing these tips and tricks, you can navigate this economic phenomenon with confidence. Remember to invest in assets that outpace inflation, focus on growing your income, budget wisely, consider fixed-rate investments, and stay informed about economic trends. We hope you found these insights helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable financial advice. Thank you for watching.